Hello, good morning, friends. Today we are going to see the various exam schemes and programs of 2017 and 18. This is the farmer friendly handbook for schemes and programs for 2017 and 18. So we will see one by one. Okay, are you ready, guys? Yes. Okay. It is the Government of India Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. This is the best book or this is the best handbook for handling the schemes and programs and preparing the various exams in coming year for 2017 and 18. Okay. See, our Prime Minister. Okay. This is the ENAM, launching of National Agriculture Market. This will also we will see, but after. Okay. Why this handbook? This handbook contained various this handbook see is prepared and categorizing various activities. It contained Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, Soil Health Card, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sisai Yojana. These are the various schemes discussed here, and these are the and various guidelines discussed here by the government, and so refer only this handbook only, not refer the other whatever, only handle this only. Okay. See, this is the index. We will firstly today we will going to see the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and Soil Health Card, Soil Conservation and Micronutrients. Today we only see two schemes, and after you will continue my lecture, and up to see these are the total 12 schemes. Okay. Today we will discuss only two. See, Krushi Bima, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. In this case, here is in Hindi also. यहाँ पे हिंदी में भी डिस्क्राइब किया है, जिसको इंग्लिश में समझ में नहीं आता वो हिंदी में भी पढ़ सकता है यहाँ से, जिसको चाहिए होगा यहाँ से वो स्क्रीनशॉट भी निकाल सकता है। ये इसके बारे ये डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है, ये देखो यहाँ पे, आप इतना सब पढ़ लेना, मैं आपको इंग्लिश में ही डिस्क्राइब करूंगी क्योंकि आपके बहुत सारे पेपर्स इंग्लिश में ही रहते हैं। ओके, सी दीज आर दी गाइडलाइंस इन हिंदी, योजनाएं एंड सहायता। ओके, सो जिसको किसको चाहिए होगा तो वो स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल सकता है। See the first one, agricultural insurance, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. What to do? Okay, Safeguard yourself financially against natural risk like natural disaster, calamities, insect, pest, diseases, and adverse weather conditions. Whatever the calamities, insect, pest, diseases, whatever the problems happen with the crops of the farmers, then there is a insurance of the crops. Okay. For insurance schemes are being implemented, namely Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, Weather Based Crop Insurance Scheme, Coconut Palm Insurance Scheme, Pilot Unified Package Insurance Schemes. These are the four schemes described here in agricultural insurance. Okay. So, firstly, we will see the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Okay. See, here is the scheme name and here is the assistance, means whatever the subsidy is given by the government to the farmers. See, this is the very important points. And insurance protection for food crops, oil seeds and annual horticultural commercial crops notified by the state government. Okay. Uniform maximum premium for all the farmers. There are no categories of the farmers. Uniform maximum premium for all the farmers. Okay. For the Kharif season, 2% of the sum insured. For the Rabi season, 1.5% of the sum insured. And annual commercial horticultural crops, 5% of the sum insured. See, last year, for the IBPS SO Agricultural Field Officer, there was a one question about the what was the percent of sum insured for the Kharif season. That was the 2%. So please keep it in mind. Whatever the questions are asking in the exams. Okay. So please keep remember 2% for the Kharif season, 1.5% for the Rabi season and annual commercial horticultural crops 5%. Okay. The difference between the actual premium and the rate of insurance payable by farmers shall be shared equally by the center and the state. This equally, it is also a most important word. There may be a question greater than, smaller than, equal by the center and state. So please, equally is the most important word. Got it? Okay, yes. Okay. Claims of full sum insured without capping or reduction in SI. SI means sum insured. Okay. If the sowing is not done due to the adverse weather climate, claims up to a 25% of the sum insured will be paid for the prevented sowing planting risk. If farmers are not ready to sowing of the crops because of the not good rain or whatever may be a weather climatic changes, means weather climatic is not suitable for the crops, then there will be a 25% of the sum insured. Okay. When the crop yield is less than the guaranteed yield of notified crops, the claim payment equal to a shortfall in the is payable to the all insured farmers. Okay. देखिए, मैं आपको अभी हिंदी में भी बताती हूँ. खरीफ सीजन के लिए 2% सम इंश्योर्ड है, रबी सीजन के लिए 1.5% है और हॉर्टिकल्चर क्रॉप्स के लिए 5% है. और यदि कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है और वेदर क्लाइमेटिक चेंजेस की वजह से क्रॉप की सोइंग नहीं हो पाती है तो 25% भी इंश्योर्ड मिल जाता है फार्मर्स के लिए. ओके, गॉट इट? ओके, चलिए फिर आगे. आप बोर तो नहीं हो रहे हो गाइस? ओके, चलो फिर आगे. ये अभी हिंदी में भी बता दिया है, मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. आप चाहो तो आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल के आप बाद में भी पढ़ सकते हो. ओके, तो फिर मैं आगे जा सकती हूँ ना? ओके, यस. On account, advance payment up to 25% of likely claims will be paid as an immediate relief. Okay. Losses caused by Indonesian hailstorm and landslide would be assessed at individual farm level. Post-harvest losses assessment for damage to crops incurred and spread in the field up to 14 days on account of cyclonic rain and unseasonal rain in the entire country. Use of remote sensing technology and the drones to supplement crop cutting experiments for the faster settlement of the claims. Implementing agency will be selected by the state government through the bid. ओके यहाँ पे जो ये 14 डेज का पॉइंट है ये भी बहुत 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 इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट 14 डेज. इसके पहले जो भी स्कीम्स आती थी वो आफ्टर पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट के लिए लागू नहीं की जाती थी, लेकिन अभी पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट के बाद भी 14 डेज तक इंश्योरेंस लागू किया है. ओके, सो post harvest losses assessment for the damage to crops incurred and spread in the field up to 14 days on account of cyclonic rain and unseasonal rain in the entire country. So 14 days, it's a very important days. It's a very important factor. So guys, please keep it in your mind. 14 days after for the post harvest. Okay, क्रॉप पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट करने के बाद भी 14 डेज तक इंश्योरेंस लागू किया जाता है. ओके, अभी सेकंड, इट इज द वेदर बेस्ड क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस स्कीम WBCIS. प्लीज keep it in this also in your mind. Long form also may be a ask. Okay, so insurance protection for notified food crops, oil seeds and annual horticulture commercial crops. Uniform maximum premium for all the farmers likely same प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना. खरीफ सीजन 2%, रबी सीजन 1.5% and for the horticultural crops 5%. Okay, the difference between the actual premium and the rate of insurance payable by farmers shall be shared equally by the center and state. When the weather indices rainfall, temperature, relative humidity and wind speed and the provision for assessment of losses caused by the hailstorm and cloud stud but at individual farm level. It is also important individual farm level. Okay, implementing the agency will be selected by the state government through the bid. Okay, here in this scheme only 2 to 3 points are important here. For the same here Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and WBCIS weather based crop insurance scheme, here are the same percentage for the kharif, rabi and horticultural crops. Okay, and here one point is also important, that individual farm label. Okay, and here is also equally by the state and center government. Okay, so shall I move forward? Okay, see, coconut palm insurance scheme. It is also a most important scheme. So, insurance protection for the coconut palm growers. Premium rate per farm ranges from 9 in the plant age group of 4 to 15 years and 14 rupees in the age group of 16 to 60 years. So guys, please keep it in your mind. 9 rupees for 4 to 15 years and 14 rupees for the 16 to 60 years. So whether there will be maybe a question, what will be in under coconut palm insurance scheme in the plant age group 16 to 60 years, what is the premium rate per palm? Okay, so there will be an answer 14 rupees. Okay, 50 to next point, 50 to 75% subsidy of premium is provided to all types of farmers. This is the common to all farmers. 50 to 75% subsidy is provided under the coconut palm insurance scheme. Whether When the palm damage, the claim payment equal to a input cost loss damage is payable to the insured is notified areas. Okay. So next point are here in Hindi is also described here. So if you want, you can take the screenshot also. ओके मैंने तो आपको हिंदी में भी बता दिया है। और आपको कोई जानकारी और चाहिए होगी तो ये वेबसाइट है www.agriinsurance.government.in, यहाँ पे आप जा सकते हो। ओके हाँ, नेक्स्ट इज Unified Package Insurance Scheme UPIS as a pilot in 45 district. Okay, assistant is nothing but the subsidy. Whatever the subsidy is provided by the government here described here. Okay, to provide financial protection and comprehensive risk coverage of crops, assets, life and student safely to farmers. Pilot will be include 7 sections: crop insurance, loss of life, accidental death, disability, student safety, household, agriculture implements, tractor. These all are points are important. Okay, whatever may be a one point asked in exam, so please keep in your mind. Crop insurance will be compulsory. However, farmers can choose at least 2 sections from remaining. Farmers may be able to get all requisite insurance products for farmers through one simple proposal application form and through the single window. 2 flagship schemes of the government, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and this is PMJJBY, have been included apart from the insurance of assets. Pilot scheme will be implemented through the single window and the processing of claims other than the crop insurance on the basis of individual claim report. Okay. And here is the PACS, Primary Agricultural Cooperative Societies. This is also important, and I have told you already. This is the agri insurance. If you want more information, you can go through it and subscribe it. Okay. So guys, here is the second scheme. Before we will going to start this, मैंने तो मेरे तरफ से बहुत अच्छे से समझाया. Okay, I have already explained you all the things important, so please work on that and take the benefit of the this whatever I am providing you. So please cooperate me and okay. So second is the मृदा स्वास्थ्य कार्ड, भूमि संरक्षण एवं सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्व. Okay, so you can take this screenshot also. Okay, निकाल लिया. Okay, it is also very important. These all are the guidelines under the government, Ministry of Agriculture. Okay, so please keep in your mind. Okay, so we will start. Soil health card, soil conservation and micronutrients. What to do? Always use appropriate quality fertilizer based on the soil test. Use organic manures to maintain the fertility of the soil. In order to get the maximum benefit of the fertilizer, always apply in root zone instead of broadcasting. Resort to injurious and efficient use of phosphatic fertilizers for proper development of root shoots and timely maturity of crops, particularly the legumes, which fix the atmospheric nitrogen for enrichment of the soil. Farmer desires of adopting particularly organic guarantee system certification system may form a group of at least 5 farmers and get it registered with the nearest regional center of organic farming. Okay, these are the simple points you read and study it. Okay, soil health card. It has been launched on 19 Feb 2015 under the scheme. Okay, this is the date, 19th Feb 2015. Soil health card. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी, उनका 1 साल कंप्लीट होने के बाद उन्होंने 2015 को सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड निकाला था. सो कैसे भी करके ट्रिक लगा के इसको याद रखिए, 19th Feb 2015. So it's a very important date for the soil health card. Okay. It is provided for to all the farm holdings in the country at an interval of 2 years, so as to be enable the farmers to apply appropriate recommended dosage of nutrients for crop production and improving the soil health and its fertility. Okay, and we will see the guidelines, whatever the guidelines provided here. So please, distribution of micronutrients and soil ameliorants. 2500 per hectare. It is the maximum limit, and it is provided under the soil health card scheme. So it's a very important, and it also a very important. So, and here sub points are also here. Supply of gypsum, pyrite. Pyrite is nothing but the FeS2. Okay, and lime, dolomite. 50% of the cost of the material plus transportation limited to 750 per hectares. Here 50% cost is provided and the transportation cost is also provided, 750 per hectare. Hectare is nothing but the 2.5 acre. Got it? Maybe there will be a question. 1 hectare is equal to whatever. What is the acre? Okay. So, National Mission on Oilseeds and Oil Palm. It is provided under the NMOOP, National Mission on Oilseeds and Oil Palm. Here it is in the Hindi. So if you want, you can screenshot here. Okay. Okay, चलो आगे चलते हैं. Plant protection chemicals, insecticide, fungicide, bioinsecticides, sorry, bioagents, micronutrients, biofertilizers, etc. At the 50% of the cost limited to the 500 per hectare. NMOOP. Adoption of organic farming, 10,000 per hectare. National Horticulture Mission for the Northeast and the Himalayan states. Sub-schemes under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture. Vermi compost unit, 50,000 per unit having a dimension of 30 into 8 into 2.5 feet or 600 CFT on the pro rata basis. These are all the same National Horticulture Mission and HMNEH, same Himalayan Horticulture Mission of Northeast and Himalayan states. Okay, under the MIDH. Okay. Next is the high density polyethylene vermi bed, HDPE, 8,000 per unit having a dimension of 12 into 4 into 2 feet, 96 cubic feet on pro rata basis. Same NHM, HMNEH sub-schemes under the MIDH. Next is the promotion of integrated nutrient management, 12,000 per hectare up to an area of 4 hectares. And these are the sub-schemes under the MIDH. Okay. A supply of gypsum, phosphogypsum, bentonite sulfur, 50% of the cost limited to the 750 per hectare. And National Food Security Mission, Blue Green Revolution Eastern India. This is the full form of BGREI. Okay, micronutrients 50% of the cost limited to 500 per hectare under the NMSM, National Food Security Mission, and BGREI, Brew Green Revolution Eastern India. Okay. Lime and liming materials 50% of the cost material limited to 1000 per hectare and same NFSM and BGREI. Next is the biofertilizer 50% of the cost limited and 300 per hectare, same. Okay. Setting up of new mobile static soil testing laboratories 33% of the limited to the 25 lakh per lab for individual private agencies through the NABARD as a capital investment for the 10,000 samples per annum analyzing capacity, and National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. Okay, so these are the guidelines for the soil health card. So guys, please, whatever the percent, here is the 33%, here is the 50%, here is the 50%. So don't confuse here. You distribute all the whatever the 50%, 30%, 33%. Generally in government, there are the percentage distributed 33%, 50%, 70%, 80%, 90%. These 4 to 5 percentage you have to distribute, and which scheme is under this 50%, which scheme is under 33% as a subsidy is providing. So you distribute and don't be confused. Okay, so and you cooperate me, you visit, you daily subscribe, and you daily watch this on the YouTube, so easily you will crack your aim and your exams. Okay guys, so in short मैं आपको सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड रिपीट करवा देती हूँ. ओके, सो ये देखिए सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड. यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कौन से है मैं आपको रिपीट बोलती हूँ. यहाँ पे ग्रुप चाहिए, ग्रुप ऑफ एटलीस्ट 5 फार्मर्स, एटलीस्ट 5 फार्मर्स. So there may be a what? Here is the date 19th Feb 2015. Launch the soil health card. Okay. It is also important. 2,500 per hectare and 50% of the cost material. Okay. You can take this screenshot also, no problem. Okay. Here it is in the Hindi. Okay. Under NMOOP, 50% of the cost limited to 500 per hectare and 10,000 per hectare, National Horticulture Mission and Horticulture Mission for the Northeast Himalayan States, MIDH. Okay, so you study on this all for all the whatever the subsidy is given. So shall we stop this now? Okay. Next we will see the in next lecture we will see the next 2 schemes. So daily subscribe this and study with me. Don't worry for the to crack the exam. So don't worry guys for the exams. Okay, so bye bye.